Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
Hello, and welcome back. Today, what we are going to be focusing on here is getting Kali installed onto VirtualBox. So what you can do is just go into your browser and search up a VirtualBox, and it'll be Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. You can download it, and then there will also be a link in the description here that I will have for it as well. But what you're going to do after you have that installed is you're going to go over to Kali. So Kali is going to be the one that we are going to install, and it'll be kali.org/getkali, and then like get-kali, and then another slash, and then here you can see these. So we're going to choose the bare metal, and then going to scroll down, and you can use the 64 installer or the weekly one. This weekly one is just the latest update, so there might be some bugs with it, but overall it should be fine. Just doesn't matter which one you get. So I would do weekly or this installer here. And you'll just click these to download them from that link there. Awesome. So once you have both of those downloaded and installed, what you're going to do is you're going to open up Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager, and you're going to click this new here. I have a couple machines, and this is just because I need them for my classes. And you're going to click new, or you can do Control N. Here you can type in the name for it, so you can do Kali. And then we are going to do Linux, because Linux or Kali is a version of Linux. And then we are also going to go with Debian 64-bit. Okay, so the 64-bit is very important. If you did the bare metal 32, then you would do 32. If you did 64, you would choose 64. You're going to click next. Here, a minimum you should have is 1024. You can also do 248 or however much RAM you want for it, but right now we're just going to leave it at 1024. But you should not do anything less than 512. Okay, and then we're going to create a virtual hard disk now. Go create, and then it'll be VDI, VirtualBox Disk Image. Next, dynamically allocated. Next, and then 8 gigabytes, or this should be no less than 10, so I'm going to do 20, and then create. Now you can see here it created this Kali right here, and you can choose either to click here for storage, or you can just click settings, and we're going to go into storage, go here, and you can see that this is like a CD-ROM pretty much. And you're going over to this little CD with the down arrow, clicking on it, and then choose virtual optical disk file, and then you're going to look inside your folder for the Linux, the Kali Linux right here. Okay, and you're going to open it up and then click OK. Now she should be good to run. One thing that I also like to do here is just increase so if I go system and then processor, I can give it however many CPUs I want. I prefer 3 personally. So after you're done all that, you should be here at this part. You're going to click start and then wait for it to boot up. And as you can see, this is what will pop up, and it'll say graphical install, advanced options, and all of these. You're going to do graphical install. And it's just starting everything up. And now you can see you have the graphical interface. Awesome. From here, you're going to choose your preferred language. So mine's English. I'm going to hit continue. And then there's Canada, continue. And then key map to use, American English is fine. And it'll detect and mount installation media and go through all of